How to make work go by faster, 15 effective tips. Start the day with a plan. Creating a to-do list gives structure to your day, boosts focus, and helps make work go by faster with a clear sense of purpose and direction. Use time blocking techniques. Break tasks into time blocks, like the Pomodoro technique, to keep focus and productivity high. Regular breaks refresh your mind and make hours fly by. Take intentional breaks. Short, intentional breaks re-energize your mind, improve focus, and help make long workdays feel more manageable and enjoyable. Reward yourself with small wins. Give yourself small rewards after completing tasks. These brief treats can boost motivation and make the day go by faster by keeping you engaged. Alternate between tasks. Switching between different tasks reduces monotony and refreshes your focus, making work feel less tedious and more dynamic. Practice mindfulness at work. Mindfulness improves focus by helping you stay present in each task, which reduces stress and makes the day feel less drawn out. Declutter and organize your workspace. An organized workspace clears the mind, lowers stress, and boosts productivity, which makes work feel faster and more enjoyable. Set micro-goals to stay motivated. Achieve small goals throughout the day to build momentum and create a sense of accomplishment that helps time pass quickly. Optimize your environment. Improve lighting, add personal touches, and adjust your workspace to enhance comfort and focus, making hours feel shorter. Reflect at the end of the day. Reflecting on your accomplishments provides closure and a positive end to your day, making long workdays feel rewarding and satisfying. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and follow us on social media platforms.